Hey everybody, Brian Horvath here with another LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip. And today we're going to talk about how you can invest into others. I was listening to a Dave Matthews song the other day. I went to the concert and it said you could die trying. And what he's talking about in there is about being a giver. You know, when you give, you get the world, but you could die trying. So I thought that was a little inspiration for today about how you can give on LinkedIn, how you can be generous with your time and with your relationships by investing into somebody else with writing them a recommendation. So let me show you how you can do that here. So I'm going to jump into LinkedIn. You can see here I'm on my home page, and I'm going to rock and roll over down to the recommendations section. Okay, and so you can see here one way that you can ask for recommendations by clicking on this pencil. Or excuse me, let me go back here real quick. Hit the wrong darn button here. I do that too. You can add a recommendation and either ask for one, but in this case, we're going to give a recommendation. And so it's going to ask you who to search for. And let's say I want to search for my friend Matt Laporta here. He's one of my clients. And I click on continue. It's then going to ask me about what's my relationship. Did I manage Matt directly? Did I report directly to him? Did I teach him? Did I mentor him? Did I study together with him? Was he a client of mine? And I'll say Matt was a client of mine. And in my position, the position he was working in is currently as a business development director for a private equity firm at A111 Capital. So I click on that, and then I would simply write the recommendation. And I'm going to say is, I'm going to talk about Matt's character. I'm going to talk about, is he competent in what he does? Does he have charisma? How is he working with others? His chemistry? And is he a good fit for the culture of the company, or maybe the culture is something I know he's going after or he's going to do. And so that recommendation formula will really help you not only invest into other people, but I believe when you give, you get to receive as well. And it's always better to give than receiving. So anyway, keep that in mind as you go about working on LinkedIn. And that's this week's 2-minute hot tip.